In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how you can add DNS records to your custom domain on Namecheap. So once we're on the Namecheap homepage, what we need to do is select Account and then click on Dashboard. And here is where we will now be able to locate our custom domains. From here, what we need to do is select Manage. And then once we click on Manage, you then need to go to the top bar right here, scroll over and then select Advanced DNS. Once we click on Advanced DNS, here is where you will now need to enter in your DNS records. As you can see, there is no found. So what I can do is click on Add a New Record. The first and most common record that we will need is an A record. And then what you need to put in host is you will need to put in a @. So for example, if I want to connect my Shopify store, this works with any website or anything that you want to add your custom domain to now, or anything that we want to connect our custom domain to. So for example, I will go over to Shopify. Here is the DNS records that I do need to enter. I will then click on the copy icon, go back over to my host website, and then you want to paste this into here and then click on the tick icon to save changes. Now the second and most common one that we will need is a CNAME record. So if we click on CNAME record, go to the host, click in www, and then what you now need to do is head back over to wherever you want to redirect, copy this right here from my Shopify store, for example, and then you want to go to target, paste this in here, and then again, what you need to do is click on Save Changes. Now, what you can do is that is everything set up for my Shopify store. I can head back over to Shopify or whatever I'm trying to connect to, and then you just want to confirm it on the other website. As you can see, I will just need to click on I updated DNS records, and then that will mean that I'm fully set up. It might take 24 to 48 hours to fully work, but once you have done this, that will mean that you have updated DNS records on Namecheap.